Our next step is to add our feta cheese to our mixture of ingredients. And today I'm using a reduced fat feta cheese, and it's a block, and I'm going to go ahead and crumble it. Now you can buy feta already crumbled or full fat, but I think the reduced fat tastes just as good as the full fat, so I went ahead and purchased that today. If you don't like feta cheese, then you can use several other kinds of cheeses. There's cow's milk feta for one, and there's goat's milk feta. This is a cow's milk feta, but if you prefer a goat cheese flavor, you can do the goat's milk feta, and that's got a really nice sharp flavor and a little bit more unique flavor because it is a goat cheese flavor. Other cheeses you could use would be just plain Parmesan cheese. You can add cut up cubes of smoked Gouda, or fresh mozzarella balls would be really great with this. You can even do a blue cheese if you would like. And that's really all there is to this feta cheese. We're just going to pop that in there, and then I'm going to real quick with my hands kind of mix it all in.